Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial. And this tutorial is regarding the YAML. So what does YAML mean? YAML is stand for YAML aren't markup language. So saying that it's not a markup language. Okay, I'm pressing Ctrl L. And now, why YAML? It's a human friendly data format used to write config files or many files. What YAML does? Write structured data, easy to understand for both machine and humans. And what is the basic structure? YAML work on key value pairs. What does key value pair means? If suppose this name is a key and cloud Neokloud is a value. What is happening here? Hence, it's a name is a key and this is a value. So it might be different also, but like this we can use many in YAML files. So what are the important rules that confuses? YAML does not allow tabs, only spaces, usually 2 or 4 are used for indentation. So I'll just copy this YAML file so that you can understand well. I'm creating one YAML file and that is pod.yaml. I'll paste it now. Here API version is a key and this is a pair value. Sorry. So you can use a list also. If suppose this is a container, you can add one more container here, so it can be a list also. So indentation is matters because you put it here, name busybox and image busybox. Okay, so it will create a 2 ports. So this is a container which have a list of 2 images or apps. So you can means if here it's a list, this hyphen indicate it's a list. Hence boyfriend, what boyfriend name is a recharge guy, that is the laundry guy, and it's a plumber. So if a nested hierarchy, just I'll paste example. So it's a boyfriend and name is Raj, this and girlfriend is a detail. Okay, so here you can write this also in nested hierarchy. How can you use comment? So you can write comment also here, that escape. So you can write hash and this is a command, this is command. You can write like this also anywhere, this is command. Okay, and you can save it. So what common mistakes we do? Using tabs, not giving space after colon. Means after colon we have not given any space, so that would be mistake. Wrong indentation means if you indent something like wrong this, then also there could be an error. Or no space means if you can like this, then also there could be any issues. So mostly the typing would be the issue. So I'll open one more YAML file. So it's a big one. So here if you see, this behave differently, means here these are the OR blocks. Okay, means here IP block can be taken, namespace can be taken, or this can be taken. But if we write like this form and here will not place any, so it would be treated like AND. So IP block and namespace selector and port selector to be matched. Okay, you can leave it here because this is will look when network policy topic comes, but just for giving you the hints for the YAML file, I'm telling you this. Hence or like behavior mainly works in network policies when you list multiple items like multi-port selector or namespace selector. Kubernetes treated as OR. In most of other the Kubernetes resources deployment services or usually do not have this kind of OR. Means which kind of OR? I'll give one this kind of OR. There is one more thing. I'll press Ctrl L. I'll find config map. Here you will see that vi config YAML. Okay, here you will see this type of pipe symbol. So what this means, this is a multi-line strings. It means all these lines are stored in a one single strings. Okay, so here plus also be there or minus also be there. Means if it is a single string, keep line breaks. If this is like I means this is like means hyphen is there, then remove line breaks, and plus is there, then extra new line will be added in the end. So when you see this pipe symbol, this is a multi-line text with line breaks. Okay, so one more thing, This is a little boring, but I will find the way to make it interesting in few videos. So you can take backup. So if k run pod k run neo hyphen image nginx. So control L. Don't worry if you won't understand this command. So you can take a backup. So k get kubectl get resources. Here it's a pod. So resource name it's a neo and then hyphen o YAML. So if you will enter, then you will find that YAML file which is the resources. Now I want to take a backup. So just redirect it into any YAML file, backup.pod YAML. So you can cat backup pod.yaml. So your file is in YAML file. Now same like if you want to create if you want to create any YAML file, so like this run command I will show you. Paste. So here is the command to create a pod which is name is mypod. So any resource, and you can just write dry hyphen run equal to client, and that output is in YAML. So you can see YAML file is there, and you can take that YAML file for creation. So I can save it, create.yaml, or any resource you want to create you can take. So cat create. So from only you have only given that thing, but additionally many things will be added, and you can get a YAML file, and you can edit this YAML file for betterment of your resources. So now one most important things which is not anywhere except my videos, there is a commands kubectl explain. So you can see here is YAML file descriptions. So whatever YAML file you see, you can find it here. So if you see, it's a config. So you can get a resource kubectl API resources. So you will find all resources. Okay, sorry, all resources. If I want to get a pod or say deployment, so I want to have a YAML file for this. I want to create, but I don't remember, and this here I am not able to find, or some means I want to do it very fast. So how to do it? So kubectl explain deployment. So you'll find these 4 things, but this is too messy. So what you will do, just so awk hyphen this command. I always use this command because to save us time, or sometime many things I will not get in documents also. So, and you can use this command in CK or CKS also. Sorry, this is a print. Okay, awk, and then here 2 space. Remember here you have to give 2 space because I had pressed 1 space, so it is not there. You have to give it's here 2 space. So you will find this deployment YAML have these 4 things, and from 4 thing, if you want to further dig it up, then copy, and now just press dot spec. So you will find these things are there, and you on further debug you can also like selector replicas selector. So if you want to take this dot selectors, so you will get only 2 things. So you can build this YAML file with this, and sometime few detail you won't find in this document also. So it is very helpful command, and you will not find anywhere because I don't know. And there are 2 main things, and that is sometime when you create some file, suppose neokloud.yaml, and then we use Windows much, some mistakenly you press Ctrl Z. So this type of thing will there, and it is very irritable. So just write FG. So you are good to go in that YAML session again. Okay. So and one more, if there is a swap error, so I already uploaded a video of it. You can find it here, or I will link it here, or I will make available in this playlist also. So that's it, and thank you so much for your love and support. In next lecture we'll see important YAML files and how I find those files very fast way. Thank you so much for your love and support.